video, we'll talk about menopause, the physical and the emotional changes that can be expected during menopause and the treatment options available. I'm Dr. Meeta, I'm a gynecologist and obstetrician. So, what is menopause? Menopause is stoppage of the periods, the regular menstrual cycle, because of the stoppage of functioning of the ovaries. This is usually expected around the age of 51. And if a female is not having periods at that age for about a year, then it is termed as postmenopausal. Now, because of the increased life expectancy, almost one third of the life of a woman is in postmenopause. So, all the physical and the emotional changes which a female has to undergo because of the menopause should be addressed. There are a wide variety of physical and emotional changes. And what is the cause of these changes? The cause is because the ovaries have stopped functioning, there is a decrease in the estrogen levels, and the loss of estrogen or the low levels of estrogen causes all the menopausal problems. Now, what are the problems which are expected in menopause? The female can experience hot flushes. These are sudden onset of sweating, feeling of hotness, which last for about few seconds to maybe 1 or 2 minutes, and they can be frequent initially, as many as 15 episodes in a day. After the onset of menopause, for after about 1 to 3 years, they disappear. Then comes the vaginal atrophy and the urinary tract lining atrophy. There is thinning of the wall of the vagina and the urinary tract because of the lack of estrogen. This is known as vaginal atrophy and the urinary tract lining atrophy. This vaginal atrophy leads to a burning sensation, there is discomfort and dryness. In most of the cases, this problem can be relieved by the moisturizers and the lubricants which are available over the counters. But if these are not causing much comfort, then in that case, estrogen has to be given, which can be given by patch or vaginally. They are quite safe. Then, urinary tract thinning can lead to frequent episodes of urinary tract infections, which have to be addressed by your healthcare provider. Then there is a bone loss because of loss of estrogen in menopause, and this bone loss can lead to frequent and very easily there can be a fracture. For this, the calcium level, there has to be an intake of calcium. Before the age of 60, it can be 1,000 milligram. After the age of 60, up to 1,500 milligram of calcium per day is required, along with vitamin D. And initially, how thinning of bone can be diagnosed? It is diagnosed by a bone densitometry test done. Then there are after as soon as the menopause sets in, there are higher chances of cardiovascular problems, of a heart stroke. In fact, when estrogen is present inside the body, the female is supposed to be protected against these heart strokes by the estrogen. As soon as the estrogen level comes down, then the chances of heart stroke are equal to the male counterpart. Then after that, there can be sleep disorders. Now, these sleep disorders can also be because of other reasons like financial strain at this stage of life, or the kids moving out, or maybe parental health issue or personal health issues. Now, initially, one should try things like taking an early dinner, or maybe a warm bath, or keeping strict timings for the sleep, or limiting distractions. But if they don't work, then please talk to your doctor. In menopause, maybe not only because of the low levels of estrogen, but there are mood swings and there are frequent episodes of depression. If they are really very disturbing, then please talk to your doctor about the depression part. Then, at times, with aging, there can be cognitive difficulties and forgetfulness. Now, exact reasons of these cognitive difficulties and forgetfulness is not known. There can be because of personal stress, or maybe that the woman is simply torn, or there is a lot of strain of the family, of the or other personal issues. But if they are disturbing, talk to the doctor as soon as possible. Now, after the age of 40, there are certain tests which needs to be done to be on the safer side, like breast examinations should be done as early. It should start as early as 40. Once a year, it should be done by your gynecologist or by your doctor. And maybe every 2 or 3 years, an ultrasound of the breast or a mammography may be required. Then a pap smear is essential. Initially, the pap smear is advised annually, that is once a year. And if three pap smears are normal, then they can be done every 3 years. Then, apart from this, the normal blood tests, including your hemoglobin level, needs to be checked up, your sugar levels, your cholesterol levels, status of your thyroid, all these need to be done regularly so that if there is any problem, it can be addressed as soon as possible. So menopause is also can be taken as a phase of life when you can really enjoy your grandchildren, your free time. So if you have any problem, please go and consult your doctor. Please do not neglect any problems in